Hello, Paul here from EMD. Today, just gonna do a video for this Porsche 986. This is the one that we actually cleaned the intake manifold, removed the spark plugs. A lot of stuff was done on previous video, but today I just want to show you. And plus, we fitted a new MS meter to this car as well. Customer got us a new MS meter, and we just fitted it yesterday. And today, I'm going to actually start the car up. Just want to see how much smoke coming out on first startup. This is pretty much dead cold. I've driven the car twice to Kernel and back in the morning and afternoon, just to try to clean all the stuff out from the exhaust as well. Just takes time to do it, but just want to show you. Okay, just gonna put this put my camera here and see if I can actually get a nice view of the back. I think that will be alright there, somewhere there. So I'm going to start the car up, the new MS meter. Before, this car was fluctuating at sometimes I have a dead spot. I'm going to start it up nice and cold. So the neutral. Neutral. I'm not sure how much smoke that came out because I wasn't looking, but much better than before. Before was always a big puff of smoke, but it takes time to actually take all the stuff out from this car. So you can see here it's cold. The light on. Cold startup. I think I'll drive it again on Monday. This is Saturday now. I'll drive it again on Monday, just one more time. But if I'll probably ask the customer to take it on a M5, to drive it on M5 for probably an hour and come back to clean all the stuff in the exhaust, because some of the actual oil and some of the cleaning additive that we used is actually still stuck in the exhaust. It takes time to burn them off, but it's much better. It's actually the actual idle doesn't fluctuate anymore. It actually revs quicker now than before. It doesn't really have that intermittent flat spot or intermittent no power. Okay, thanks for watching and please subscribe.